So we removed the roller tiller, guys, and put or hook in this backhoe so that we can dig this stump. So FarmBoss is digging it right now. Nakapoy ako, guys. I'm tired of picking up that roots. Let's do the video, guys. So this is already dug up all the roots. So all we have to do is to push with that tractor maybe tomorrow. If the Kubota cannot push this, maybe we need to bring out the John Deere. And this one here too, look. So this just two big stump left. So we're almost done digging that. So this is our lunch for today. Is that baked potatoes and chicken. And of course, rice for FarmGirl. Rice is live for FarmGirl and potatoes for FarmBoss. So that's our lunch for today. So there you go, guys. We already pick up the stump. So dug the stump. So we're going to pick up and put there. And bad thing that the John Deere cannot use up to pick this big stump because the hose broken. So he need to park down there, and we need to get another hose to hook it again. Yeah, that will be on Monday or Tuesday. We need to do that. So there. So done digging, and all we have to do is just to clean up. managed to pick it up. Poor Kubota. So there is already clean and ready for planting. So I don't believe that we did that for today. That's excellent job. So it's flat already and no big stump in here. So this is the stump that we get from there. We have 8 stumps in there. 4 big stumps and the 4 small. So that's what we did for today, and we already dug up some pit here so that we can just burn this. Yeah, after we burn these guys here, we have to dump in there. So this is what we did. So thank you for watching, guys. It's so windy right now here. We are on top of the hill. So thank you so much. Thanks for the John Deere and Kubota, but the John Deere needs new hose because we wrecked another hose. It caught by the big stump. Thank you for watching. So it looks clean now. Yes, you did a good job. Yeah. Yes, lots of work, but at least we did and we clean up here. But yeah, that's not really very hurry. So we need to get the hose on Monday or Tuesday. So it looks good, guys. So it's very windy. We're on top of the hill. So thank you for watching. Yes, we are happy that it's cleaned here already. So we have a bigger and wider garlic patch in here. This one here before is a really big trees. It's a jungle, just like that, almost like that. But it's already garden. So
pile got pretty big though.
Yeah, the pile is getting big. Well, it's okay. We can burn that after we get that car there.